Crude oil stayed in a narrow zone while it is natural gas, which is again traded with modest bearishness but yet to break below the support zone till towards 3.5. What to expect now from oil and gas with the US session? Way to enter, way to exit, how to profit. We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. Not much of data awaited here. Yes, for specifically natural gas, we have the storage data that should also add into the volatility here. How to profit? Let's start. First, we'll look into oil followed with gas. Watch till the end and see this is the only channel to give you twice a day updates with detailed analysis and logical levels. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into US crude followed with natural gas. Watch till the end. Oil on the hourly charts, you can see it has found the support here and since yesterday, and in fact many times earlier also I have mentioned 64 63.6 is the zone it needs to breach in order to confirm the further breakdown here. What's happening right now? It is consolidating and see it is forming a nice flag. So now if you see oil trading beyond 65.25 and 65.6 zone, you can stay bullish there, expect 66 and 67 levels here. Right now it is trading bearish. It is waited for the moving averages to come down. It has formed a narrow neck and it could start diverging from here, which means a stronger move should be seen. Stochastic rising. MACD has seen a good retracement. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is flat. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. See, it is waited for the 20 period to come down. Let it breach beyond 20 period moving average and then more bullishness should follow, which means a move beyond 65.5, 65.6 should convert, should invite more bulls towards 66 or in fact 67 zone. The stochastic placed comfortably here. The MACD after hitting the lows is under retracement. The RSI is also rising. On the 3 hour chart, now see on the 3 hour charts, hardly any move we have seen in oil. It is just waiting for the indicators to cool down. There is a possibility of a rise and retracement. If you now see oil trading beyond 65.25, you can initiate a buying entry. Expect it to move towards 65.5, 65.6 and 66. Beyond 66, there should be bullishness here towards 66.8, 67 zone possibly. Yes, it has a scope till then, and if at all oil trades beyond 68, you can say this is a reversal and then coming week should be bullish further. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over at the bottom. It is now trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. The RSI is flat at bottom. On the 4 hour, similar is the observation on the 4 hour charts. Hardly any move is seen, but one thing is pretty clear that it has got its support intact. 64.4 is the level only below which you should take a sell. Once it trades below 64.4, then you can confirm slight bearishness and then we can expect 64, 63.6. Any drop below 63.6 should take it towards 63, and if it trades below 63, we are looking at 62 and in fact $60 levels very soon. It is just consolidating, strengthening its position, waiting for a breakout either which ways. Since we have seen a good drop in oil so far in last few sessions, it can try to recover some of the losses here, which means possibly a retracement towards 67, 68 can be seen here. The stochastic rising, the MACD also after hitting the bottom, after a sharp dip, it is crossing over here, which is also a good sign for the bulls. And the RSI is placed at the bottom. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, what has happened? Diminishing bearishness. This could become the reversal where it closes today. This is important. A move towards 67 and beyond or move towards 68 should confirm a reversal. This could completely reverse the prices. Remember, this is the position from which we have seen this rise in oil and it has come down to the same position. Now it is pretty important for oil to breach this zone, and 63.6, 62 and 60 are the levels which it should target. So first it has to trade below 63.6. That will confirm further bearishness here, else the possibility of a reversal cannot be denied. If you see the stochastic, this has come towards an oversold zone. The MACD, if you look at it, has crossed over at the top. It is trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards, slight bearish sign it is, and the RSI is flat. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And before I provide you the levels, if you also want to learn this art of trading, do join my 33rd mentorship batch starting coming Monday. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can join the signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Once you have your trades in place, it is important for you to have a safer place to trade as well. Find the trusted partner link in the channel and video description. It offers a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker there. and enjoy your trading experience. Now, first, let's talk about the levels to buy. Now, buying levels are only above 65.25 levels, where you can expect 65.5, 65.6 levels as the first target, 66 as the second, 66.4 as the third, and 67 as the fourth. Till 67, greater resistances are available. Beyond 67, I will be looking forward to 68 levels directly. Yes, 68 should be the target, which it should achieve very, very soon. On the downside, the selling entry is limited at 64.4. If you see oil trading below 64.4, stay short for 64, 63.6. And if it trades below 63.6, 63.4 zone, stay short for 63, 62. See, below 63.6, ideally, the next support is towards 62 only, but 63 is an intermittent support. Below 62, it's 60. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas on the hourly chart, see what it has done. Drop retracement, failing to trade beyond 3.6. It is a reversal again. Now it is pretty important for net gas to trade beyond 3.6 and 3.7 zone. This is the max resistance zone for natural gas. As long as it stays below this zone, you have to be careful. Notice what it is doing. It is just consistently delivering lower lows, lower highs. Now the lows here are towards 3.5. It is possible that it can move towards this zone towards 3.5 and bounce back with the data here. So this is something you should keep a note of. Remember, it is trading extremely oversold and it is trading below the critical support zone as well. 3.56 was a good support and now it is moving towards 3.5. Till 3.5, I should say the prices can bounce back and hence you have to be careful with the sells here. Stock ISTIC is oversold. The MACD is under retracement. It is crossing over again for sell. The RSI is coming to oversold zone, which also invites a little reversal. Look at the 2 hour charts. Similar observation. Lower highs, lower lows. And yes, if you again see natural gas trading beyond 3.56 and 3.6, just close your eyes. Establish for 3.65, 3.7. The move beyond 3.7 is a sign of reversal. Stock ISTIC is oversold here. The MACD is flat here. The RSI is also oversold. Coming to 3 hour chart, on the 3 hour chart, what has happened? Straight bearishness is seen here. Resistance from 3.6 and lower lows, lower highs. The possibility is there that prices may move towards 3.5. And if it trades below 3.5, 3.4, it stays short for 3.45, 3.4. This time, if it stays below 3.45, 3.4, remember this is a time when natural gas is confirming that there should be a slide which is going to take it towards 3.2 and $3 zone very, very soon. I'll show you something on the daily charts. See, the stock I stick here is oversold. The MACD has retraced. The MACD as it's sitting at the bottom, it has converged, waiting for a crossover. For this to crossover, it needs a bullish candle here, which means a rise beyond 3.56 and 3.6 is required for it to confirm the reversal. RSI is staying extremely oversold. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation. On the 4 hour charts, you can see resistance at 3.6 and it is looking downwards. There is a possibility of a move towards 3.5. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely bearish, RSI extremely oversold here. Coming to daily charts, now it is important to note what it is doing on the daily charts. See the rise, the retracement, couple of bounces, and now this is coming out of this channel. Also, if you align this, it has come out of this channel, which means it may try to move something like this, where the bottom is somewhere should be around 3.2 levels. And that is why I also say once it trades below 3.4, possibly tomorrow it might move towards 3.4 and the next week it would open at 3.2 before rising. This is very strong possibility exists. And then below that $3 level should be seen. Right now what's happening, see, this is the support zone from where the prices bounce back, and now I will wait for it to trade below 3.5, where you can expect 3.475, 3.45. And if 3.45 is taken, stay short for 3.4. Be mindful of this. This is natural gas. It can do wonders here. See here, though it is getting oversold on the daily time frames, but look at the MACD. After the retracement, it is crossing over and trading bearish. RSI has dropped. So considering this, very simple, sell at 3.5. While now, if you see natural gas trading beyond 3.56, take a buy for 3.6. Remember, today 3.6 is critical. If it stays beyond 3.6, I'll be looking forward to 3.64 and 3.68 levels. If at all it trades beyond 3.68, is stable for 3.72. A move beyond 3.72 should confirm a complete reversal towards 3.8. Remember, the storage data can do wonders here for natural gas. Hence, take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with